Welcome to the FifeLife. My name's Mike and these are my Fife Canaries. This is a journal that will be taking you through daily routines, weekly care, husbandry, as well as other tips and pointers that I hope you find helpful. This channel really is designed for the beginner or the curious, or perhaps even people that have just stumbled across my birds and what we're hoping to achieve, which is generating some interest in keeping canaries in Australia. I've kept many different types of canaries. I first started with German rollers, border fancies, and then Gloucesters. I grew up with canaries, with my dad keeping canaries, and canaries have been in my family for many generations, dating right back to their use in the coal mines in the UK. So, why not come for a quick look around and I'll show you our setup, and remember, a happy life is a happy Fife.